Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy with Houston Window Experts, and I'm so glad you're watching this video today. Today, we're going to compare the Windsor vinyl window, which is an ultra premium vinyl window, to the Pella 350 series, which is also a premium vinyl window. And then we're going to throw in as a bonus a really cool window that's one of my favorites, made by Amsco Windows. So today's 3 vinyl windows. We're going to do a comparison on those. So before we get going, thank you for coming to our showroom. We have 20 brands of windows and doors to pick from. And so options, right? We feel like in Texas, bigger's better. The more options you have, the better decision you can make. And we're all about informing you and teaching you about windows so you can make a good decision. Something to drink? Soda, beer, water, whiskey. It's not quite 5 o'clock here, so I'm gonna enjoy a cup of coffee off the new Keurig machine that we have. And so if you come in to visit with us, we'd like to welcome you, show you around, and talk about the products. So today I have them lined up right here. As you can see, this is the Windsor window. This is vinyl. This is the Pella window. This is vinyl. And I'm gonna wanna show you some differences about these different products and some things that are great about both. So one of the things that, if you've ever watched any of my videos, you hear me talk about the fact that in the US, we have about 1,800 window companies right now, but we only have 4 glass companies. There's some other obscure companies, but the majority of window manufacturers are buying their glass from one of the big 4. Just like, think about this, car companies, they make cars, they don't make tires, they buy tires. They buy their tires from someone. So you could get a Michelin tire on a Rolls Royce, or you can get a Michelin tire on a Hyundai. It's still a Michelin tire. So in the window industry, it's kind of the same way. In fact, the best glass out there is the glass made by Cardinal glass. If you have Anderson out to your house, they're gonna tell you, we have the best glass in the country. And that's the truth. But what they're not telling you is it's the same glass that's in the Windsor window, it's the same glass that's in the Pella window, it's the same glass that's in the Amsco window, if you're talking about equal quality, top tier products. So if glass is important to you, which it should be, because it's about 90–95% of your window, Cardinal glass is the way to go. And of the 20 brands we sell, 19 of them are Cardinal glass. The other product I have is for, say, new construction for multifamily dwellings, places like that where they're wanting to save a little bit of money. So as you can tell, this is a beautiful window. In fact, this window is patterned after a wood window look. If you have a traditional home, let's say you live in River Oaks, or you live in the Heights, or Montrose, Westview, Bel Air, some parts of Champions Forest, some parts of Sugarland, where the homes have more of a traditional look and feel. This is a vinyl window designed to look like a true wood window, but it's not a wood window. It's actually made out of vinyl. Isn't that pretty cool looking? So if you notice here, I like this. You've got these grids, and these are realistic grids. I mean, these things actually sit off the glass about 1/2 of an inch. And they're what's called a tall putty. So you have depth to this, and it doesn't look flat, it doesn't look cheap, okay, like you normally would think about vinyl windows looking cheap. It's a real nice, good, clean look. I also like how this has a nice center meeting rail right here, okay? Nice and flat. It gives a traditional look, but it still looks and feels a little more contemporary. And so you get a little bit of that transitional look where you're still keeping the spirit or the elements of the house that are there today, but you're also giving it a little bit of a more modern twist. I love how that looks. And then also one of the things that I like about this is the quality of their workmanship on the vinyl they use, the thickness of the vinyl, the machinery that they use, a lot of imported German equipment to make this stuff, and we all know the Germans make the best machinery out there, right? Japanese do too. And so like the corners on this, I can feel this right now with my hand. The corners on this are nice and smooth, clean corners, which is very rare for you to experience out of a vinyl product. Most vinyl products, the corners, they actually can't grind those down with a CNC machine because the vinyl's so thin. They actually are afraid of losing the weld, and then the window fails and comes apart. But when you're using a really heavy gauge thick vinyl, you can actually CNC these corners and get a real nice, clean, smooth look with that. So that's the outside, okay? I love this. And this product is gonna come in a total of, guess what? 57 colors. 57 colors for this product. So that's really cool. You ought to be able to find a color you like. The inside of this, just like the outside. Now this one's a two-tone, so that's black on the outside, white on the inside. Nice, smooth, clean corners. I can see those and feel those here. I like how the lock is positioned across here. It's a pretty flat, pretty low profile lock. I like how you have the lift rail down here at the bottom. So most people in their homes, this is about this height. You know, you don't have to try to lift from up here. You can lift from here. You don't have to bend all the way down to lift. So that's really nice. I also like, let me sit this coffee down for a second. I like the fact that this window, also you can tilt it in. So if you needed to tilt it in for maintenance, for replacing it, if we had to do any work on it or whatever, these pieces are like Lego parts. You know, you pull one out and you snap one in. So that's really handy. And when the window closes, it closes solidly. It locks well. You have a double lock. These are metal locks, not plastic locks. And also, I notice here you've got a 1 1/4 inch water dam sill. This actually helps prevent water from coming in, even under heavy wind conditions with rain. So this window is rated to 121 mile/hour storm. This is really a great window. So it blocks the water from coming in at the bottom, even when you have a lot of wind, etc. Also, a real nice touch that I like. These guys, they think of everything. You know, they pay attention to the details. I like how the weather stripping is black. See? Because it's a black exterior, they put black weather stripping in here. I can't tell you how many window companies will put white weather stripping on a black window. It's like, come on, who's over there running that show? So I like that. I like how that works. And I really all in all, I love this window for a lot of reasons. But also one of the reasons I love it too is because this window is virtually identical to their premium wood and aluminum clad product. Like you can put them side by side and you can hardly tell the difference, especially if you're standing back 10 or 15 feet. So what that allows us to do is, let's say you have a house where you want to save some money on budget. We can do a hybrid project where maybe we're using the real Windsor aluminum exterior with real wood interior windows on the ground floor. Then we go to the second floor and we use this. And from the street, it looks the same. So it's a great way to get a great looking window, whether you do this ultra premium vinyl or if you do a hybrid of vinyl with wood. Now Pella. You've heard of Pella, right? I mean, Pella's been around for, I don't know, was it George Washington had Pella windows, I think, in his cabin. Pella is actually about 40 miles away from Windsor. Windsor's made in Des Moines, Iowa. Pella's made in Pella, Iowa. And you'll see some cross-pollination there. There's some people who work at Windsor who used to be at Pella and vice versa. There's some similarities about these companies. They're both great companies, been around for a long time. I think Pella really has been around 100 years. Windsor's been around about 70 years. Windsor's like $1 billion a year company through their parent company, and I think Pella's about 3 or 4 times that size. Great big company. What I like about the Pella window is the Pella name, right? I mean, Pella's a well-recognized name. If you went to sell your house and you said, we put in Pella windows, everybody's gonna go, ooh, I like Pella. I really like them more though when it comes to their wood than I do with their vinyl. And they make a great vinyl product as far as the performance numbers and the durability, et cetera. But to me, I don't think they do as great a job as Windsor does on the basic overall construction and on the aesthetics. And let me show you what I mean by that. For example, on this window, this is what's called an external glazing. In other words, if I had to replace this glass, I'd take this off from the outside, and you can see how it actually flexes. You see that flexing there? I take this off from the outside and I can swap that glass out. Whereas on this product, the glazing bead is on the inside. And I take the glazing bead off from the inside and replace the glass. Well, what does that mean? Well, I mean, hopefully you're not a burglar and you're not watching this video planning on breaking into people's houses. But on this window, I could just pop this off, right? I can pop this off and take the glass out and climb through your window. On this one, I couldn't do it because I'd have to break it out because it's actually on the outside. So like you saw this flexing here, okay? I want you to see the difference. Look at this one. This doesn't flex. I mean, this is a solid, rigid piece of vinyl. That's hollow. Also, while I'm standing here, I want to point something else out. If design is important to you, where are the locks on this? Can you see the locks? No, you can't see the locks. How about on this one? Can you see the locks? You can see the locks right there. So I like this better. It looks better. I'm not saying Pella's bad. Don't get me wrong. I have Pella windows in my house. I think that's a better looking window. Now on the inside, if you notice too, this is really deep and chunky compared to that. That's a little narrower, a little more contemporary. And the locks sit up high like we talked about. It's got the lift rail at the bottom, of course, just like the other one does. But then it gets real complicated right here. I mean, I'm sure there's some engineering to this, why they did this. You've got a step down here, another step in there, a step down, back up, around, down, over, out. Something to do with structure. I don't know. I need to ask him next time I go up and visit. The weather stripping on this is actually what's called a fin weather stripping, where that one is a Q-Lon, which is basically the equivalent to a silicone product that stays forever and doesn't have those issues. This one tilts in just like the other one does. So that's nice. I like that. I like that about this. So that's pretty handy. That's really cool. Same glass, of course, like we talked about compared to the other one. But if you notice on the corners, remember we talked about the corners being pretty smooth? These corners are pretty rough. I guess I am knocking it. I'm not really trying to knock it because we sell this product. But I like how this corner looks better. I like that mitered look. I like how it's not rough like this one is. I like how these grids stand out from the glass. They're very realistic. These are flat. These are almost like they're thickness of a piece of gum, like a Wrigley's gum. So it doesn't have as much dimension. And they could have made these deeper. Look at this whole ledge they're working with. These could have come out more and been a little more realistic, and maybe they'll make some improvements to that. This has concealed weep holes, which is where water gets out if the window ever failed. They're actually concealed under here. This one, they put them right on the face of the window. You can see them sticking out right there. I like Pella. I have Pella in my house. They make great product, really good glass, 20-year warranty. I just think this is a prettier window. As far as warranty is concerned, both of these offer a 20-year warranty on the glass. This one offers 10-year warranty on the hardware. This one offers 10-year warranty on the hardware. This product you can get with accidental glass breakage replacement, meaning if the glass break accidentally, it would be replaced for free. It usually costs you somewhere around $25, $30 per window. This one does not come with that. This product does not include labor in the warranty. So if you had a seal failure or something like that, the glass would be free, but the labor to come out and replace the glass would not be covered. On this one, if you did have to replace the glass, the labor is covered if you bought it through us, Houston Window Experts. So that's Pella versus Windsor in the premium vinyl category. This is the product series on this is the 350. The product series on this is the Classic. Classic for Windsor, 350 for Pella, in case you want to look them up. Pella makes two grades of vinyl that are below this. They make a 250 and a 150. So think about this. This is their top end. This is their ultra premium vinyl compared to the ultra premium vinyl made by Windsor. Now, I told you that just for fun, I'd throw in one of my favorite windows. So if you live in Houston and your house is not an older house, you probably have aluminum windows. And those aluminum window frames are pretty narrow, right? Because aluminum is very strong, and so that's kind of cool. If you don't like this look, if this isn't for you, I think you're gonna like this. This is Amsco. Amsco is a 70-year-old window company based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. It's privately owned, family owned, debt-free company. Great moral compass. These people are Latter-day Saints members, also known as Mormons. We have a great relationship with them. They're just great to work with. I really love dealing with them. When you have a problem or a question, it's like calling an old friend, you know? If I have a problem with a Pella window, it's like calling the IRS. It's a lot of work to get through those guys. They make grids on theirs as well, if you like those grids I showed you. This happens to be their black window. But here's the big thing that's a big difference, is look how narrow that profile is. So if you have a narrow profile window now, you want to go back with a narrow profile. You don't want to go with a really big, wide vinyl profile. And that's kind of the complaint a lot of people have about standard vinyl windows like you see all over town, is that they're really wide and they're really chunky and they really stand out, a lot of plastic. With this, you're going to get a nice, narrow, clean look. You're going to get the same cardinal glass as you get in any of my other premium products. And something that's really cool for you to know about this product too is that this is actually not paint. Like on the Pella product, if you got one of their exterior colors, they have 11 colors instead of 57, they're going to be painted. On this product, this is going to be painted, okay? And so they're going to put a 10-year warranty on the paint. On this, you get a 15-year warranty because it's not painted. This is actually called a cap stock. I'll make a video on this soon, but basically when the vinyl extrusion is coming out of the machine, there's this big roll. Imagine like a giant roll of Scotch tape, right? That's kind of what it almost looks like. And it's impregnated on top of the vinyl as it goes through a heating process, and it actually adheres to the top. So this is not painted. I mean, here you cannot feel, there's no paint lines or anything to feel. This is actually a cap stock. And this is their black cap stock. They also make a bronze, which gives you a little more brown. It's not quite so black cap stock. And then of course they have about 6 or 7 other colors, but those would be painted colors, okay? On the inside on this one, you notice it's also been painted black. So the outside is cap stock, the inside is painted, okay? And that's because you can't get cap stock on both sides. It's impossible to do. Nice clean profile. Look, the lock is hidden, okay? Hidden below the median rail, so you don't see the lock from the street. Gives you a nice clean look. Something they did I think is kind of cool is they actually put a lift rail here, and they put a lift rail here. So depending on, you know, some of us taller people, maybe we like it higher. People who maybe are lower to the ground, they find this easier to operate. And what I also like about this window that's pretty cool is it's a little different than the other guys in the sense that it doesn't have those tilt mechanisms. This window does not tilt in, and that can be a plus. One of the things I like about it is it gives you a cleaner look. The second thing I like about it is it affords you a narrower profile. That's how they get the narrow profile, because now this window, instead of being adjacent to the frame, is actually inside the frame here. It's recessed inside of here. So when the wind blows, right, let's say we get a wind, a nice big wind blowing on this sash, it actually presses this sash tighter against the window frame, which gives you a better connection to your weather stripping. So great performance numbers, great look, great company, better warranty than both of those guys. This company actually gives a lifetime warranty on the window, which includes labor. So basically, when you write a check for an Amsco window to Houston Window Experts, you're done. That's it. We do all the work. We move the blinds, we move the furniture, we take the curtains down, we put the curtains back, we clean as we go, we use our own in-house crews, we have workman's comp insurance, we have liability insurance, enclosed trailers, company trucks, eye protection, mask protection, steel-toed boots, glass sleeves. I mean, basically we're everything that we claim to be. In fact, I had a guy tell me one time, he said, Jeff, looking at your company, you guys are like the unicorn of the window industry. You shouldn't exist. You have great choices, you have great prices, you have great people, you have a great installation. Well, it's what's made us the best reviewed, most successful window company in Houston, thanks to you and people like you. So my commitment to you is this will be the most delightful home improvement experience you've ever had if you do business with us. I can promise you that. So if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell. And if you're on our website right now and you'd like more information, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll be in touch with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.